I was riding number 9, headed south from Caroline. I heard that lonesome whistle blow. I got in trouble, had to roam. I left my gal, I left my home. I heard that lonesome whistle blow. Just a kid, acting smart, I wouldn't broke my darling's heart. I guess I was too young to know. They took me off to Georgia, Maine, locked me to a ball and chain. I heard that lonesome whistle blow. All alone I bear the shame, for I'm a number, not a name. I heard that lonesome whistle blow. All I do is sit and cry when that evening train goes by. I heard that lonesome whistle blow. I'll be locked here in this cell till my body's just a shell and my hair turns whiter than snow. I'll never see that gal of mine. I'm in Georgia doing time. I heard that lonesome